Alright, so in this video, we are required to solve 4 over 5 into bracket x minus 5 minus 1 over 5 into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 19. This is an equation. This is a linear equation in one variable. So the first thing we need to do is to rewrite this particular equation. If I want to rewrite this particular equation, it implies that I can write it as x minus 1 over 1. X minus 5 over 1 and x minus 10 over 1. So definitely this one will now be 4 into bracket x minus 5, then everything over what? 5. That's 5 times 1, 5. Then minus what? 1. Let me just put that 1 into bracket x minus 10 divided by 5 times 1, that is 5. Everything is equal to 19. If you remember in the previous video, I said something very important, that you don't cross multiply at this stage, because for you to be able to do that, you must ensure that this division sign, all the numerator are under the same roof. But we have two different terms here, so it's very impossible to cross multiply easily. So the next thing we need to do is to find the LCM, and the idea of the LCM is to ensure that both of them are on the same roof, as I used to call it, to ensure that both of them are on the same roof. So there are two ways by which you can do it. It's either I open this bracket, then find the LCM. But let me just go ahead. There's no stress about it. The LCM of 5 and 5 will still be 5. 5 and 5, 1 times everything here. That will be 4 into bracket x minus 5. Then minus 5 and 5, 1 times 17 here, minus 1 into bracket x minus 10, right, is equal to 19. So by mere looking at this, we've been able to bring them under the same roof. That implies that we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to be having 4 into bracket x minus 5 minus 1 into bracket x minus 10. It's got to 19 times 5. So 4 times x, that is 4x. I'm trying to use 4 to open this bracket. Then 4 times minus 5, that is minus 20. Minus 1 times x, that's minus x. Minus 1 times minus 10, that is plus 10. It's got to 19 times 5. 19 times 5 will give us 95. Okay. This gives us 95. So the next thing is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. So if I collect like terms, I have 4x minus x minus 20 plus 10 is got to 95. Okay. So 4x minus x will give us 3x minus 20 plus 10, that is minus 10 plus minus 10, right, is equal to 95. So we move minus 10 here. We have 3x now be equal to 95 plus 10. 95 plus 10, because this is a negative number, and if it crosses this equality sign, it will become positive. So that will now give us 3x will now be 95 plus 10. 95 plus 10 will give us 105. So we now divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So x will now be 105 divided by 3. And 105 divided by 3 will give us 35. So the value of x in this case is 35. What does this imply? It implies that when x is equal to 35, this left-hand side of this equation will be equal to 19. I'm talking about this term minus this term will be equal to 19. So you can pause this video and check. Plug in 35 where you have x, you discover that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let's do it again. See you in the next video. Thank you.